To add visual appeal to your presentation, you can always go and choose to add some animations and transitions. So if I click this transition, we see the slide transition first, and then object animations second. So slide transition, that is what happens when you go from one slide to the next slide. Right now, nothing's happening. It's going to be an abrupt cut. I'm going to say you don't want to go crazy and have a different one for every slide, because then people may be more focused on your next transition than the actual content. And content should take priority over transitions. So I'm just going to choose cube. And here's the key. You can apply it to all slides. And so once you're happy, maybe I'll slow it down a bit to make it medium. It'll take 2.5 seconds, and I'm going to apply it to all slides. So now when I go to present and check, and I click to go to the next slide, we see it takes 2.5 seconds to go on, and there is nothing else in this presentation, so I can't see it going on to even other slides. Similar to the slide transition, I'm going to now look at object animations. Transitions and animations are best used in moderation. Adding too many of these effects can make your presentation look a little silly and can even be distracting to your audience. Consider using mostly subtle transitions and animations, or not using them at all. To add an animation, we first have to select the object that we would like to animate. So let's go and click this image. And now it is not grayed out, so I can add an animation to this. What do I want to have happen? Let's say it's going to fly in from the top. Do I want it to happen on click, after a previous action, or with the previous action? I'm just going to say with previous, and then we can go and select the title, Hello World. Notice we already see the object animation previously made, and now I'm going to add another, and we can have it fade in after previous. So it won't happen concurrently, it won't happen at the same time with that. And then we have this text, and maybe we're going to have that zoom in on click. Do I want to have to click to have it happen? No, I'm going to say with previous. So this zooming in text will come in at the same time as Hello World. And now let's preview. So first the image came in, and then you saw it very slowly having both text come in, because that's taxing on my device. That sums up transitions and animations, so you are good for task 4.